So this is how you can hide photos in the file manager in the Files app on the iPhone. So let me guide you through it quickly and clearly so we can get into it. If you're new here, subscribe and we can get started. So I open up the Files app and you can see that I have a folder called Images and it contains a bunch of files which are mostly photos. And if I want to hide those, I have the ability to hide them as the whole folder or as one individual image. So let me start with one image, right? Let's say I'm going to find this one right here. I have the ability to hold down on it, click on compress like this, and it basically turns the image 288 into the image 288.zip, right? So I have like two files containing the same image. So if I go to the zip folder, I can hold down on it, click on rename, and I change the file extension to be something random, which isn't going to work. So I like to use the .info in order to preserve the privacy, or we can even change the name as well. So we can choose the file.info. And it asks me if I actually want to confirm it. So yeah, I'm going to click on confirm it, really. And we have file.info, which seemingly doesn't do anything. It's nothing in there. And I still have the image 288. So I'm going to delete it like this. I'm going to delete the other one as well. And just to make sure, I'm going to go to the recently deleted folder and also delete them from in here. So it's permanently gone like that, right? And now if I come back to the folder and to my images, you can see the file.info doesn't have anything, it doesn't work, but we know that the photo is hidden inside of it. So if you ever want to get back to it, you can just reverse the process by holding down on it, click on rename, and bringing back the zip extension. So you can tap on a zip like this. It's going to ask you to confirm it again. And now I have the file.zip, which I can expand. And I have the photo back in here, right? So as you can see, that's how it works. That's how you can hide the stuff within the file browser on the iPhone. So yeah, that is the whole process, how it works. You can as well do it for the whole folders, right? Because you can also compress the whole folder and then change the extension for that and hide the whole thing. Or you can also do it individually for one picture. So that's something I wanted to teach you and show you in this video. Let me know if it worked out for you as well. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos as well.